Hello Stampers, thank you so much for joining me today. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. And today we're going to make a sampler card. This is one of my favorite ways to show off our beautiful designer series paper, and in particular to use up the last little scraps that you might have left after you've used the rest of the pack to make all kinds of beautiful cards. So today we're going to be using this lovely Garden Lane designer series paper, and we're going to be using Mossy Meadow ink and the Rooted in Nature stamp set. Now you're going to need a card base, the usual size of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, and a cardstock mat of 4 by 5.25 inches, and 4 cardstock rectangles. These measure 1 7/8 inches by 2.5 inches. And then you're going to need 4 designer series paper rectangles, and these measure 1 3/4 by 2 3/8. Then you'll also need a few extra pieces of white and colored cardstock for your sentiment for the front of the card. Let's get started. Now my trick for choosing which of these pieces go where is, do you see how I've got 2 pieces that are on a darker background and 2 pieces that are lighter? Like these ones are primarily read as white to me. So I want those 2 to be diagonal and these 2 to be diagonal. If we had them kind of side by side like that, I just don't love that as much as if we kind of create a checkerboard effect by having the darker pieces diagonal from each other and the lighter pieces diagonal from each other. There we go. So that's looking pretty good. Now we're going to get the sentiment on there. So I'm using this Thinking of You sentiment from the Rooted in Nature stamp set. And I'm going to cut that out on my Big Shot. So I've got that circle cut out, and I've also got a scalloped circle cut out in the Mossy Meadow cardstock, and we're just going to layer that up and put it on the card. And there it is, all done. That's how easy it is to make a sampler card. Thanks so much everybody for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it's something that you will use. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think, and if there's something specific that you want to learn about, please let me know. And if you're going to share this video, you get a chance to win this card. I will send it to you in the mail if you're not local. But I learned last week that if you do share the video, you have to either send me a message or drop me a comment in the video to let me know that you've shared it and send me a screenshot, because sometimes people's privacy settings don't allow me to see who shared the video. So please let me know if you've done that, and I'll be happy to send you this card as a prize. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, which is inkyfingers.ca, and you'll also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, the local workshop schedule, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. If you're watching this on YouTube, I would love for you to join me on my Facebook page called Inky Fingers Papercrafting, because every week I have a card sketch challenge and I send out prizes to whoever wins that. If you do place an order today, please use the current Hostess code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code is going to get a free gift from me. And if you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me to start planning your own virtual or in-home party. Drop me a line for more details. And don't forget, everybody, that bonus days are still happening. With every $60 that you spend, you're going to get a $6 coupon code to use in August. So that's a 10% savings. And the extra promotion is going on for recruiting. So if you've ever been interested in joining Stampin' Up! Or learning more about what it's like to be a demonstrator and what the requirements are and what the perks are, this is a great time to start asking questions and finding out more about that, because right now your starter kit is worth $70 more than it usually is. You'll still pay $135 for the starter kit, which is full of whatever items you choose, but you will get $205 worth of items for $135. So that's amazing. And then additionally, on top of that, you're going to get a coupon code for $14 to spend the month after you join. So that's another $14. So basically $84 worth of product free. And if your wish list is as long as your arm, this is a great opportunity for you to jump in and join the Stampin' Up! Family and find out what it's all about. So if you have questions about that, please let me know. I would love to help you out and make sure that you're confident as you move forward as becoming just a demonstrator. So that's it from me, everybody. Thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day and happy stampin'. Bye.